Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. I am from Vani. I completed my BTech in 2024. After graduation, I wanted to switch my career to the IT field, but unfortunately, I didn't get the right supports or opportunity at that time. In 2025, I came across a post on LinkedIn about the 45 days program by Evision. I got in touch with the concerned person enrolled in the program and successfully completed the internship. During those 45 days, I learned about a lot, including Windows administrators, virtualization, ITIL, CCNA, cyber security, and more. I also gained hands-on experience in troubleshootings and real-time scenarios. I am very happy to share that with the guidance and supports of the Vision team, I cracked my interview and got selected by INFOSYS with a package of 2.6 LPA, and I am truly grateful for the mentorship and support I received from the Vision team and HR. If you are someone who's looking to start or switch your career to IT, I highly recommended enroll in their program. The support is genuine, and with dedication, you can definitely secure a job too. Thank you.